Bye bye, Villa. It was nice until it lasted, but I actually didn't like you because you were very isolated. I'll still miss you. Bichare mere bachche. Damn, look at the pink sky and our stuff. गिरवल ना जाए भाई. We are in our new planet. Sheesh. बस चुप नहीं है बाबा. कोई बात. Why are you so scared, baby? ऐसे ही 130 है ना शिफ्टिंग करके कसम से. This is the next day. I've just woken up. I know it's 12 in the afternoon, but guys, I was exhausted. Exhausted मैं कम बोल रही हूँ भाई. मेरी तो फट गई थी पूरी. Look at my voice. It's so heavy. रात को हम थोड़े पागल हो गए थे. हमने सारे कपड़े वपड़े निकाल के रख दिए. Is anybody like me? As the chul to do all the stuff. Sorry if you can listen to the AC. तो अभी देखो अपडेट कैसा है. बहुत सारा कचरा पड़ा हुआ है, but still काफी better है for day 2. Today we'll fix the TV. We'll do the rod situation, curtain situation figure out करना. There are like two windows and one door. We need to cover all of them because बहुत ज़्यादा light आती है. यहाँ पे proper sunrise आता है यहाँ पे, तो पूरा light हो जाता है. But I think one of the windows I'm gonna do curtains. I think we'll cover like let me show you. Planning to cover these two windows and this door together with one whole rod. So let's see how it goes. Oh, I really want to get like a bookshelf and like I want to display my cute bags there, but let's see. And I love the space. Huh? Like दूसरे वाले अपने studio में बिल्कुल space नहीं था. It was too small. This is quite big, and I'm loving making it up. So basically, the thing is, I have a kitchen there inside, but I really don't like it. Like बहुत छोटा सा है, and I cannot, function. So I've decided to make a kitchen of my own, which I'm on it. बाकी मैं सारा बर्तन I'll keep it inside. All the masalas and the food stuff will be outside because I don't want to वहाँ पे kitchen है, and then inside there's washroom, so it's got एक kitchen में. So I'll keep only the bartan and the sink is inside, so you can wash the bartans there. And बाकी सारी चीजें खाने की everything will be outside, and the stove is also outside, so that's cool, right? It's like a studio space. I have to set it up. Once it's all done, I'm going to show you, okay? Then you can tell me how it looks. I think I'm doing a great job, and I will do a great job, but you tell me how I will do, okay? Have successfully added the frames. ये थोड़ा सा क्लीशे से हैं, but हमें free में मिले थे, तो why not? It looks good with the vibe though, है ना? विला के vibe से जा रहा है. I like it. I don't like this one, but I like this one. It's cute. Look at the amount of freaking पता नहीं क्या ही है भाई. Anyways, इसमें से सारी digital चीजें मैंने इसमें रखनी है अपनी. We're almost done with our setup, and there she runs. Yellow. This is the next day. I know I didn't update much yesterday. We were just figuring it out. And I'm actually healing from ankle injury since so long, and it's not like fully healed. So whenever I like stress a lot on my leg, kind of like, pains a lot. So yeah, I just did some stretches and now I'm chilling with my ice pack. Not that cool, Oh, we kind of set up everything. Like I think we're done 90%. लेकिन बस थोड़ा सा 10% बचा है इधर का. And once it's all done, I'm gonna show it to you, and then you can judge for yourself. Exhaustion के लिए 2 दिन से मैंने कोई दवाई नहीं ली. Like वरना तो मैं पैनाडोल ठूसती रहती हूँ. इस बार I thought like I shouldn't do that, and I didn't take any दवाई. I'm just resting. I'll show you the updated room tour in my next video, so stay tuned for that. I hope you like this video. I'm sorry मैं इस वीडियो को यहाँ पे end कर रही हूँ, but it is what it is, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.